A few moments later.
We can see on Crosschain that I've already received those USDT, of course after deducting some fees. Hi guys, Mark here. First off, I want to apologise for the late update. After a month of hard work by our team to optimise the code, we've finally fixed all the bugs. Not only have we updated the smart contract to version 0.8.7, but we've also created a bridgeable Flash token. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to use it step by step. First, open the Remix Ethereum tool. You'll need to create a new smart contract named USDT.sol. This is the code we'll be using today, and I'll put the link in the video description. Copy all the code and paste it here. Then the next step is to select the compiler version. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we'll use version 0.8.7, which has been thoroughly tested and is the most stable version. And click Compile. Next, connect your MetaMask wallet. Select Browser Extension, then choose Injected Provider. I've already connected my wallet here, so I can directly see the ETH balance in my wallet. And here, you can check the Verify option if you want, or simply leave it unchecked. It's optional. Enter Tether here and set the token symbol as USDT. Double check and click Transact. Here we need to set the max fee to 1.5. Click Confirm in your wallet to deploy this smart contract. This will take a few seconds. When it's done, you will see a green check mark. Then click the drop-down here to expand it, and your contract interface will appear. Click here to copy the contract address, then send 0.05 Ethereum from MetaMask to the contract as gas fees and liquidity pool to generate Flash tokens. Currently, 0.05 ETH can generate around 50k Flash USDT. This is the minimum required amount. You'll need to wait a few seconds for the ETH you just sent to arrive. Once it's received, the balance will be displayed in the contract interface. Next, click Start to generate Flash USDT. As before, set the max fee to 1.5. Then confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Now, you need to click Withdrawal to receive the generated Flash USDT into your MetaMask wallet. And let's confirm again. Then refresh your wallet a few times and the funds will usually arrive shortly. That's right, we've successfully generated 50,000 Flash USDT. Alright, let's get to the key question. How do you actually convert ERC20 tokens into TRC20? Here's the deal. You'll need a cross-chain swap platform. One I've tested a few platforms. First, on the platform, you'll see two drop-down menus. Select Ethereum Network for the From option. That's your ERC20 USDT. Then choose Tron Network for the To option. That's where you want your TRC20 USDT to end up. I'll test it out with the Flash tokens I just got. Just throw in a random amount like 11,111. I won't show the rest of the process though, because there are some legal risks involved.
A few moments later.
We can see on Crosschain that I've already received those USDT, of course after deducting some fees. That's right, I received them just 3 minutes ago. You can check my wallet address yourself if you want to verify it's legit. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, click like and subscribe to support the channel. Questions? Leave them in the comments, and I'll see you next time.